was holding dick. What you mad for? I'm rich a bit, I stacked a little chip. Now you sad cause I'm
Orthodontics.
Prostitutes and orthodontics. What? Tabby, what are you watching?
Nothing.
What are you watching?
Nothing.
What are you watching? You fucking creep.
I'm watching May
Look at this
22,
hoopty.
2020.
Look at it. Is it
Don't
dial? Is it
shit.
no? Is it dial?
Hell no, it ain't shit.
Shut up. Ready?
Fucking whore.
Tabby, turn that shit off.
Okay.
I'm gonna crack your phone screen again, you bitch whore.
Okay.
Today's video is gonna be on a bike check for my bike right here. It's got 2 wheels, it's gray, and I ride it everywhere. So yeah, that's it. See you in the next one.
Yeah,
Just kidding. This is my bike check part 2 because I got a new frame and some other new shit. Tabby, if you don't shut the fuck up, I'm gonna
Kenny G.
fucking knock you the fuck
Okay.
out. Alright. So, starting off with the frame, I got a 2013 Fit Inman 1 that I bought off some dude. Tabby! On an offer up for $45 in a trade for my hoopty ass scooter. I got fit bars that Brian gave to me, Odyssey Brock Rayford grips, a fit stem with Sabrosa head cap or stem cap. I got fit forks. I don't know what year they are, but I know they came with my Sabrosa. Got Merit option tires front and back. I got Fly Bikes front wheel, the hoop with a Primo front hub, and Primo hub guards. I got Merit Brandon Began pegs on this side, and I got Devin Smiley's fit pegs on this side. I got Salt Plus free coaster in the back with that fire ass van sticker. Yeah, stolen casino seat with a Fit Bike Co. seat clamp that is not ever gonna come off because it's welded to the frame. My newest addition to this bike is a profile sprocket, one of the nicest sprockets I've ever had. Probably saw that in the last video, but with the blue KMC chain. I got SE pedals with
Fuck. I'm trying to watch the bunny.
sorry, where was I? With mission cranks. Literally, as I'm about to finish, this autist over here fucking starts making noises. But yeah, it's my bike, and that's Tabby's hoopty ass fucking SoCal. Get a real bike, Tabby.
My bike's in my house.
Yeah, fuck you.